going on, guys? Sorry I forgot to record, but this is a 2008 Chevy Impala with the 3.5 liter V6. It didn't even come with the cover. If it does, just take this off and pull your cover off. You know, the little cover that says 3.5. This one didn't have it on there. Sorry I already started, but this is how you change the oil pressure sensor. How you may know you need an oil pressure sensor is on the dash. Right here it'll say something like turn engine off, oil pressure low. You probably get a little ding 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 because this car wouldn't even shut up. So how you would do it, like I said, you would take that cover off. Then you have this shield right here that just sits on right here, you know. You have like 4 bolts, so this bolt, that bolt, and this one. I actually had took this one off as well, so that was 4. So 1, 2, 3, and then the one right here is 4. So that's the 4 bolts right there, but I don't think you have to take this one off. And as you can see, the bolts kind of stripped in this one and that one right there. So as you can see, the bolts, here's how the bolts look, see? So, but the oil pressure sensor is down there where I got my socket on. Alright guys, sorry about that, phone died, but here's the new part here. One I already took out. But what I was showing you guys is you're gonna need some sockets, extensions. I mean, we got 3 extensions with a, this is a, and what is this? 27. See if you can see that. It's a 27. Focus. 27 Duralast socket, deep socket, so it can go over the oil pressure sensor. Or you can use a 1 and I think it's a 1/16. So if you don't have you know, that, you can use a 1 and a 1/16. You know, so it just goes right in here like this. And as you can see, I'll show you guys where it was. So that's where we're going right there. So that's where your oil pressure sensor is going to go. So I'm going to go ahead and get that right there and start screwing this bad boy in. And you can kind of see it here too. There it is. You can see it right there. So again, you're just going to want to come in here, go all the way up under here, and it'd be just like that. So I'm gonna leave that down there. I'm gonna go ahead and hand screw this in first. Alright guys, the easiest way to do it is to, you know, you can kind of see it there. You see it right there? So that little silver piece, that's so your best way to do it is just to take your hand here and go in here, and you'll be able to, you know, start it with no problem. So I'm actually hand tightening it now. It's still turning. Oh, and by the way, it is a clip that's on here as well. I forgot to tell you guys, you gotta take the clip off. Sorry about that. But yeah, right now I'm just hand tightening it right now. And this is aluminum as well, so you don't want to tighten it too much. So just be mindful of that. So when you take your and the plug that's under here, I actually just left it hanging. But I'll show you guys what it looks like. If I can find the plug. There it is. So you see the little yellow piece? Let me see if I can get it. So yeah, there it is. So this piece right here, little clip, just gonna clip it off. Don't forget to take that off before you know, loosen it up. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this and we're gonna put it on the oil pressure sensor. You get this towel out the way. And see if I can get you guys to see it. Probably see right there. Okay, you guys see that? You guys see that right there? right there. So you see, I'm just gonna twist, twist, twist. So right there, I'm gonna take my socket, 1/2 inch, turn this the other way. I'm gonna put it on. And as you can see, we're not gonna tighten it that much, guys, because I said this is aluminum. So I'll show you. A little bit more. And that should be about it. Again, you don't want to tighten it too much. So now I'm just going to put that plug back on there, and we'll see if that solved our problem. Alright guys, we just got our plug hooked back up. I'm going to go and show you guys that. So you see our plug is now in the oil pressure sensor. We got everything all tight. Everything looks good. So let's go ahead and start him up, and let's see if it's still going to say oil pressure. Engine, stop engine. Turn engine off. And this light also was on too. See that oil light? So you also may have that problem. So yeah, it's off. It's off. Tire pressure monitoring system, but got 169,000 miles. But yeah, the problem that the customer had is now off. So did a good job on this one. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Got more content coming your way. Make sure you hit that notification bell. About to start my own auto dealership. I'm going to take you guys through the process, you know what I'm saying, and everything you got to do. So make sure you stay subscribed. So a lot of stuff coming, man. Peace.